Today, and I just wanted to show you one of the worst hinge designs I've ever seen. I mean, if you're an engineer, you should know better than this. Cantilever is a real thing, engineers, especially HP engineers. I mean, look at this. You see that? That's all. There's nothing holding it down here. If there was something to hold this from coming away, but you know, if they'd put a screw right down here, but instead you get this. Everything's right here. Get that to focus. Everything's hinging right here. So look at this. And this broke because of that, so look at that. Dumbest design I've ever seen. Look at that. Really, HP? I mean, seriously? Terrible, terrible engineering. Look at that. Who thought this was a good idea? What genius thought that was a good engineering decision to not anchor it anywhere near the bottom? So it all cantilevers right here. Freaking ridiculous. It's one of the worst designs I've ever seen. I hope they get sued on this. This is just bad.